Hey, I'm Jenna Fisher, and I am in the Transport program with Dr. Maggie Yu. For years, I've struggled with adrenal fatigue, asthma, arthritis, and hip pain, and really heavy periods. I'm in the Transform program so that I can be more active, have more energy. I can balance my hormones and inflammation. I'm vlogging my journey so that you can share this experience with me. My name's Jenna Fisher. I just completed module 7, which is the adrenals module. I've been eagerly awaiting this module because, as you know, I started the program with adrenal fatigue stage 3. So I was really interested in learning more about what are the adrenals? What are they doing in here? What's going on? And how do I fix them? So I learned a lot. And one of the things that was really interesting is that the adrenals and the sex hormones are closely related. They both produce DHEA, which then converts to testosterone. Also, that if you have a dysfunction in your thyroid or your adrenals, the symptoms can be very similar. So it's hard to decipher which one it is. For instance, if you have a low thyroid production and low adrenals, the symptoms are the same, and vice versa. So in my case, I do have low in both of them. So that's why I'm here and healing and learning all about this stuff. So I also learned that the adrenals, they're responsible for so many things that I didn't know. Your metabolism, your blood sugar regulation, your sleep, your mood, your heart rate, your blood pressure regulation, your immune support, your cardiovascular health. So that's a big deal. Adrenals are very important, little guys. We want to take care of them. That being said, there's 3 stages, and I'm in stage 3, or I was about a year ago, which is pretty much a flat line, depletion, no cortisol, no nothing. And I learned that the lifestyle factors are really important in your adrenal health, and things that you can do. Number 1 is learn to regulate your stress. When you're stressed out, you are activating a fight or flight response, and we kind of can get stuck in that spiral of fight or flight where you're constantly releasing cortisol. So to counterbalance that, you need to activate your parasympathetic nervous system. It's really important. And you can do that by meditating, by breath work, by massage, melt, Pilates, yoga, so many things. Also, that movement is really important in this. As I said, melt and Pilates, yoga, walking, just slower movements rather than the high intensity kind of training that I was doing, which was further depleting my adrenal glands. And I had no idea. I just thought I was being healthy. Not good. So I need to change that up. Getting proper and adequate sleep, quality sleep, having a good bedtime routine where you're falling asleep, staying asleep, having a good morning routine where you're waking and having enough energy and you're not depending on coffee and sugar and those kind of stimulants, because those are not ideal, not good for your adrenal glands. Also, eating a nutritious diet, getting in, 6 cups of vegetables a day, eating phytonutrients, getting all the colors, taking care of your food sensitivities, eliminating things that are causing a problem in your gut. That's taking away from healing your adrenals. Also, since the second module, we've been learning about blood sugar and how to master it. And throughout the whole program and for the rest of our life, blood sugar mastery is a very vital part of our health. So it's really important to just continue learning and practicing blood sugar mastery. And that's really also important in your adrenals. So lots of great info, stuff that I'm going to continue to work on and shift. And next, I'm going to go over my labs, my hormone and adrenal reviews with Dr. Maggie live. So I'm looking forward to seeing where they're at and how I can continue on my journey towards healing. Stay tuned. Thanks.